Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ConvertKit automation integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the dashboard. From the left-hand menu, select the Automations option. Locate the automation you wish to uninstall. Click on the specific automation to open its settings. In the Automation Editor, look for the Settings tab at the top. Click on the Settings tab to reveal additional options. Scroll down to find the section labeled Integrations. Within this section, identify the integration you want to remove. Hover over the integration, and you should see an Unlink or Remove option. Click on the Unlink or Remove button. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Review the message carefully to ensure you are unlinking the correct integration. If you are certain, click Confirm or Yes to proceed. The integration will then be unlinked from the automation. You can verify this by checking the integrations list within the settings. Once confirmed, you may close the Automation Editor. To ensure changes are saved, navigate back to the dashboard. Your automation should now reflect the removal of the integration. That's it. The integration has been successfully uninstalled from ConvertKit Automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.